Hey, hello everyone. How are you all feeling today? So today I'm very happy because Bharati Bhaskar ma'am is coming for UEF program, the United Economic Forum program. She is a fantastic speaker. She is a very good speaker. Her name is Bharati Bhaskar. She is a motivational speaker, independent director at Hudson Agro Foods. Look at her smile. So we are here at UEF. These are the registration counters. As soon as you come, you have to come here and register yourself. So only if you register, you can enter this restricted area. So I'm a special invitee. So this is to get the badge here. Sir, how are you feeling today? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க சார்? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? பாரதி பாஸ்கர் மேடம் வரதை பற்றி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசுவாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ இன்னைக்கு களை கட்டிட்டோம் ஒர்க் ஷாப்பு. தேங்க்யூ சார். What I was saying is, I was telling them today we have Bharati Bhaskar ma'am coming. So it will be a fantastic workshop. We all are going to enjoy. So this is the exhibition hall. We have flags of every place. So the United Economic Forum Leadership Transition 2011 was very commendable. So I'm talking about this in Women of Substance. So we are visiting this expo and they have silver sponsors, people and all that. So today is the last day at the expo. Today is the last day at the expo. So it is going to be rush. உள்ள கிளாஸ் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கா?
மீட்டிங் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க after 11 o'clock.
After 11 o'clock. Okay, okay. இப்போ மீட்டிங் ரூம் ஓபன் இருக்கா?
லெஃப்ட் இல்லாம
சரி சரி, thank you. Okay, 11 o'clock they will open the expo. Now it is closed. So let us go to the workshop hall. So this is open for general public. Anybody can go to the expo. So these are the co-sponsors. It's a big, very big program. The title sponsor is KICL. The co-sponsor is Crescent, Yerkai and CIS, and Polyhouse and Crescent. So the ecosystem partners are FACE, Kento Kaizen, and Minara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Rifa, Saibak. Platinum sponsors are Image King, Misai, and the Trust, Twin Health, Zero Gravity, Hospitality Partner, Zaitun, Sustainability Partner, Sustainability Development Council. We have the Sustainability and Development University. They have Sustainable Development Council. We need to register here. Media partners, we have IE and Kottari Digital. Travel partners, Parveen Travels, Kidbag Basics. Gold sponsors, Cars, Majestic Foundation, City Hospital, MyJazz, Nasdaq and Solar, Agent Niscare, Evolve on RWD, and we have Madurai famous Jigirdanda and Seapole. Silver sponsors, we have Accord, Alcott, Atlantics, Exodex, Nbot, Futuro Corporate Interiors Private Limited, Kaveri, Meher, Professional Couriers, Salihin, ST Courier, Sultan, Suwai, Tau, Wild Bees, Zombar. Digital partner BYT, creative partner Sedilla, and decor partner iGrow BioWalls. So these are the title sponsor for this fantastic program which is done You know, multi crores has been invested in this project, and it is a beautiful process. So this is Unnaga Tamilagam. You know, it is in Tamil. It is written Unnaga Tamilagam. Sir, ஒரு சின்ன டவுட்டு. உன்னத தமிழகம்னா என்ன சார்? அப்படின்னா
உன்னத தமிழகம் மேடம். ஏ நீங்க பாக்கெட்ல வச்சிருக்கீங்க. ஆமா. ஃபுல் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றீங்களா? இல்ல,
லைவ்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் மீடியாவா? ஆமா.
உன்னத தமிழகம்னா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு உண்மையான தமிழகம்.
உண்மைனா ஹானஸ்டி, ட்ரூ தமிழகம். Wow, super. So for my Australia friends and other part of the world friends, Unnagam Tamilagam means integrity. It is truthfulness. So that is what it says. How are you feeling, sir?
Yeah, good. Really good, madam.
How are you feeling, sir? எப்படி இருக்கு? நம்ம தமிழ்ல பேசுவோம். இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் எப்படி இருக்கு சார்? நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கா? இன்னைக்கு பாரதி பாஸ்கரன் மேடம் வராங்க, அத பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? ஆமா, சரியான ஸ்பீச்சர், ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்வாங்க, செமையா பேசுவாங்க. 5 வயசுல அம்மா ஐ லவ் யூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. திரும்பி அம்மா ஐ லவ் யூன்னு ஜென்யூனா சொல்ல 50 வயசு ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ பாரதி பாஸ்கர் மேடம் வருது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். டைமிங் மத்தியானமா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ இங்க எக்ஸ்போ வந்து 11 o'clock தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக போகுது. நீங்க இந்த சமிட்டை பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு ஸ்பான்சர் எல்லாம் பிடிச்சி இவ்வளவு பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஆமா, இவரு நம்மளோட நவாப் சார், அவர் தான் சேர்மன் இந்த இதுக்கு. ஆர்காட் நவாப், பிரின்ஸ் ஆஃப் அலி சார், அப்புறமா புகாரி சார், அப்புறம் நிறைய ஃபவுண்டிங் மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப பெரிய ஆர்கனைசேஷன். 2011 லீடர்ஷிப் டிரான்சிஷன் ஆன பிறகு தான் நம்மளால இவ்வளோ எல்லாம் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. 1979 இருக்கோம். அது எவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம் இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக ஒரு இது போட்டிருக்காங்க, அதை நம்ம வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு காட்டுவோம். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ மா கல்ஃப். A big shout out to Srikanth for giving me an opportunity to cover live. And thanks to Indian Media Works, John Amalam, for giving me the opportunity to record it live. A big shout out to John Amalam, India Media Works, for giving me this Pan India program to cover. These are the sponsors. This is the title sponsors. I read each one of them name by name. Thank you, co-sponsors, event sponsors, startup partner, UEF Trade Summit event layout. So this is the layout. Exhibition hall, plenary hall, you know, the legend, thematic vision. It is a lot of hard work. So yesterday, PTR, the Palani Sir, Honorable Minister for IT and Digital Services, was telling $4 trillion. It's a dream. $4 trillion for TN. 4 trillion for Tamil Nadu by 2047. So we are really working on this dream. So the UEF Trade Summit is happening on December 12th, 13th and 14th. So the expo will open only at 11 o'clock. Till that time we can go to the this one hall. So this is KIT issue counter, kit issue counter. Sir, good morning. ஸோ ஒரு கிட்டில் என்னெல்லாம் வருதுன்னு காமிங்க. நான் மீடியாலேருந்து கவர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஒரு கிட்டுனா அதில் என்னெல்லாம் வரும்? ஆமா, லைவ்லயே இருக்கேன்
மேடம். ப்ராப்பர் மீனிங் உன்னத தமிழகம் வந்து ப்ராப்பர் மீனிங் வந்து கிரேட் தமிழ்நாடு.
ஓ, கிரேட் தமிழ்நாடு. கிரேட் நம்ம மூணு பேரா சொல்லுவோம்.
கிரேட் தமிழ்நாடு.
கிரேட் தமிழ்நாடு. கிரேட் தமிழ்நாடு. உன்னத தமிழகம் means great தமிழ்நாடு. Great தமிழ்நாடு. We cannot do great things alone. We cannot do great things alone. We can only do small things with great love. Mother Teresa said, do not wait for leaders, do it alone, person to person. So, great Tamil Nadu. Unnaga Tamilagam means great Tamil Nadu. Unnaga Tamilagam means great Tamil Nadu.
Great Tamil Nadu.
Great Tamil Nadu. Exhibition உள்ளவோ போக முடியாதா? இப்போ போலாமா exhibition? Okay, okay. So, yeah. Show me what do you give in the kit. After registration, they give a kit. I am a special invitee. For delegates, they give a kit. Okay. This is 2026 calendar.
Brochures, ma'am. Brochures, sir. Complete brochures, sir. Plus bag, plus for premium delegates, there is one kit in bag.
Premium delegate. Special invitee கொடுக்க மாட்டேங்க. ஸ்பெஷலா இருந்தா விட்டுருவீங்க. நார்மலா இருந்தா பாத்திப்பீங்க ஆர்டினரியா. எனக்கு வேணாம், நான் சும்மா தான் கேட்டேன். ஓகே, பேக் எப்படி இருக்கும் காமிங்க. எனக்கு ஃப்ளைட்டில் போட்டு போனால் எனக்கு வெயிட் ஆகிடும் எல்லாம், அதனால சூப்பராக இருக்கே பேக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கு பேக்கு. ஆனால் கொடுக்க மாட்டீங்க தானே? ஆ சரிப்பா, பரவாயில்ல, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், டேக் கேர். ஹாய், how are you feeling at the summit? You are a youngster. Yeah.
Many of the stalls inside the expo.
You saw?
Yeah.
Which is the best stall you liked?
I didn't tell that.
Huh?
Today also I have balance stalls. I want to
Okay.
visit now.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
waiting for it.
Okay. I'm doing live. Watch live.
What is your channel?
My name is R. Vijay Saraswati. You go follow me.
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook. I'm already live there. R. No, this one. R. Vijay Saraswati. Vijaya Saraswati. SWATHY. Vijaya Saraswati.
Yeah.
R. Vijay Saraswati. Put.
Okay.
That is the one, the first one.
Wait.
Go follow. You can see.
Sure.
Follow me. I'm already live. Just go. It is live. You're here. Okay?
Yeah.
You're here. You can watch. Come. You'll come with me?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Okay. The expo is open now. சார் எக்ஸ்போ ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? போகலாம் இல்லையா? ஏன்னா லைவ்ல இருக்கோம். ஓகே, சார் தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே, வி ஆர் என்ட்ரிங் த எக்ஸ்போ. We are entering the expo. So I showed you a little bit yesterday also. I showed you this yesterday. Startup Pavilion. Hello, ma'am. Hi, what are you doing?
So this is an unmanned boat which doesn't require any human on board to actually operate it.
Okay.
Yeah. We have some software to operate the boat.
Okay.
So it is used for this logistic purpose to travel goods from one place to another.
Wow. Nice.
This is our founder's visiting card.
Thank you. Thank you. The founder's visiting card. Kiran.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. What's your name?
Jai Shri.
Okay, you have to repeat whatever I say.
Okay.
The door what God has opened on us.
The door what?
God has opened on us.
The door God has opened on us.
Nobody can close.
Nobody can close.
What he closed, nobody can open.
Yeah.
What door he closed, nobody can open. And what door he opened, nobody can close. And nice, no?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jai Shri.
Jai Shri. Thanks, Jai Shri. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm from the media, Women of Substance. I'm the editor-in-chief for the magazine Women of Substance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, love. It is so great to interact with the youngsters. I was just telling her, the door what God has opened on us, nobody can close. And the door what God closed on us, nobody can open. When God is with us, who can be against us? So, நேத்து நான் நான் இங்கே சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன், தமிழன் என்று சொல்லடா தலை நிமிர்ந்து நில்லடா, கல் தோன்றி முன் தோன்றும் காலத்துக்கு முன் தோன்றியதாம் நம் மூத்த தமிழ். அதனால எனக்கு தமிழ் நல்லா பேச தெரியும்னு நினச்சிக்காதீங்க. ஐ எம் ஃப்ரம் பெங்களூர் and my startup is in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchi. So we had put Bharathidasan Rusa project. So that's nice. Let's heal in India. Let's do a lot of work. So this is the start of the pavilion today, and we have programs in the hall. I'll come back again and show you guys more. So as of now, I'm going back to the workshop. See you all. I love you.
In fact, we have the alumni association where there are doctors, engineers, architects, then professors, all such industries are there where the children are being well placed, and they are very happy that the foundation was laid in Crescent. I should say that it leaps and bounds. நம்முடைய முயற்சினாலையும் ஆசிரியருடைய நல்ல உழைப்பினாலையும் இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடம் நல்ல முறையில் நடந்து இருக்கிறது. இன்று இந்த 50வது வருடத்தை நம்ம பூர்த்தி செய்கிறோம். அதில் வந்து நம்ம இந்த கோல்டன் ஜூப்ளி செலிப்ரேஷன் நம்ம அது வைக்கிறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அண்ணாவுடைய கிருபையினால இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடம் முன்னேறி ஒரு இந்த ப்ரீமியர் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் வர்றதுக்கு எல்லாம் உங்களுடைய உழைப்பு, உங்களுடைய கோஆப்ரேஷன் எல்லாம் தேவை என்று சொல்லிக்கொள்கிறேன்.
1976 to 2025, 50 years.
Welcome to CIC,
I'm 50 years.
Innovation and Incubation Council. Our job is to nurture young entrepreneurs and grow them big and contribute to the economic development and employment growth opportunities.
The Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council, CIAC, serves as a distinguished startup incubator dedicated to fostering innovation and entrepreneurship within the fields of life sciences, Industry 4.0, smart and clean mobility, and aerospace and defense technologies. Established to nurture startups and facilitate the commercialization of research, CIIC has emerged as a pivotal entity for emerging entrepreneurs and innovators.
The core strength of CIC is our team members. So our team members support in our startups in various aspects. They help in their marketing services, they help in their business services, they help in their finance services, and of course in the technical part.
So I'm sitting in the pavilion here and watching this video. There is auto, there are people coming, people are visiting. It's a free entry. It's a free entry for the exhibition hall. So this is about the Crescent. This is about the founder,
strategic partnerships with
Abdul
industry
Rahman,
leaders have propelled the practical applications of emerging technologies, resulting
He
in
was
a
born in
favorable impact
1927 in
on both the
Pilakarai,
economy
a coastal
and
town
the
which
environment.
is maritime history.
Through its cutting-edge innovation laboratories,
BSA
startup
launched its own
acceleration
independent
programs,
business.
and strategic networking
And
opportunities,
this is about meeting the Chief Minister of the MG Ramachandran in 1984. So this is about it, and this is about the fundings, problem start and all that. This is about the council. Crescent.
By obtaining CSR funding, CIIC has effectively supported startups focused on climate technology and sustainability, resulting in a favorable CIIC's collaborations with prominent government entities such as Startup India, MeTY, Startup Hub, DBT BRAC, DST Niti Prayas, IDEX, and MSME, LBI, Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission, and premium institutions like IIT Delhi IHFC, IITM Incubation Cell, Krabertak Center, etc., have significantly enhanced its capacity to support research-oriented startups. CIIC has established itself as a leading incubator as well as an accelerator, effectively bridging the gap between academia, industry, and entrepreneurship.
I'm Anisha, co-founder of Arkin Labs. Along with me, I have two other co-founders, and we are basically a faculty startup in CIIC. We got incubated in 2019, and our product line is we have a drone, docking station, and a cloud platform. When it comes to the CIIC support for Arkin Labs, there are four main key features. The first one is the funding, and when it comes to the expertise from commercial space like construction and all, Parvez sir and Shamam have given a great opportunity in connecting to their various contacts. The co-working space which they have given is really good, and they have given a very good amenities along with the working space.
Hi, myself Prashant, CEO and founder Symbion Labs. I'm a startup incubator here at Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council for more than past 4 years. As a proud incubator of CIIC, I'm very happy to share you that over the journey of the past 4 years, CIIC has offered us more than value-added services like money, mentoring, marketing, machineries, and other most value-added services. We got more than 35 lakhs of fund from various ministries using CIIC as our incubation partner. So we thank CIIC for the wonderful opportunity and ecosystem they have provided, for which without it we would have not grown this much positive. Thank you once again Crescent Incubation and Innovation Council for their wonderful service and support throughout our journey. Thanks.
At CIIC, we don't just incubate startups, we build the innovators, disruptors, and leaders of tomorrow. Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council, where ideas take flight.
Ooh, it's an incubation council. So we saw about the Crescent Incubation Council. Let us see about their programs. They have PG programs like MTech, Architecture, Pharmacy, Law, Business Administration, Computer Applications, Arts and Science. UG programs, we have BTech, Architecture, Pharmacy, Law, Arts and Science. So Crescent is a pioneer. So Abdul Rahman and Sheikh Mohammed bin Sir at Al Maktoum, the Emir of Dubai. So Abdul Rahman ji with Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India. Dr. B.S. Abdul Rahman with M. Karunanidhi, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And this is Dr. B.S. Abdul Rahman ji with Sri R. Venkataraman, former President of India. So this is one word which I wanted to talk to you about. It's called conglomerate. Conglomerate. Purposely I am not spelling it right, because whatever you do it right, your brain does not remember. This is the word that is all about leverage, what Doria speaks about. We love, learn and leverage. So this is a very powerful word, and people are coming. The exhibition is doing well. I need to go to the class, so I'm actually going back to the class. I will come back again to this pavilion. போகும்போது இது பண்ணுமாப்பா, போகும்போது வேண்டாம், வெறும் வரும்போது என்ட்ரி பண்ணும்போது. இப்போ நான் அந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப்க்கு என்ட்ரி ஆகணுமே, அங்கே போய் என்ட்ரி, அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அங்கே இது பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே ஓகே, thank you. So it's very beautifully arranged. Technology means India. You know, if we actually scan the barcode, only then you can enter the hall. So this is my special invite. I go here, people are waiting. So now to enter, he will stop me. Just watch. உள்ள போணுமேப்பா. இதை ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுவீங்களா? ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் இது ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் ஆல்ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ உள்ள போனா நீங்க ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுவீங்களா? பண்ணுங்க.
இல்ல இப்போ இல்ல ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நீங்க வந்து ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஓகே ஓகே சரி தேங்க்ஸ். சரி சரி தேங்க்ஸ்.
With all the lessons that you have learned, went to US. You know what we did? In US, the payers were the insurance of the employer. The payers in US were insurance of the employer. We first went to Blackstone, C1 told, sir, we will offer the product free of cost to all your employees.
Thank you.
Once we deliver the outcome to payers, right? All the employees who were having chronic disease, we went to them and we said, when we reduce A1C by 1%, pay me $1,000. When we reduce weight by 5 kg, pay us $1,000. When we normalize fatty liver, pay us $2,000. When we reduce BP by 5 pounds, pay us $1,000. When we reduce the prescription cost by $100, pay us $30. Right? We said, we deliver the opportunity to pay us. Finally, at the end of it, we proved that they were able to save 71% of the healthcare expenditure. And they did not talk. The CEO went public and said that this is one of us kind of the world. He went and told all the portfolio companies to try and quit. Because what I'm going to tell is, friends, a great product may not sell. But innovation, even in the way you execute the business, is also important. So the innovation is, we went and told our partner, we will help you to save 2x on what you are spending, so that you could pay us X. Our mantra is that, can we pay 2x to our partner, so that we could pay X, right? Today in US, you name any top companies in US, they are partnered with us. Right? Any partners. The latest was Walmart. And Kaiser Permanente never partners third party for the healthcare provider, solution provider. We are the partners. In Newsweek, the CEO of Kaiser Permanente